In Cha-Kaiseki cuisine, the meal begins with an oshiki tray holding the mukōzuke, soup, and rice. The next dish that follows on this tray is the Nimono-Wan, a clear broth soup served in a lacquer bowl. Unlike the miso soup that accompanies rice in everyday meals, the Nimono-Wan has a different purpose and meaning. It belongs to the side dishes of ichijū-sansai, and the sai refers to the main side dish that provides protein, such as seafood or vegetables, lightly simmered in a clear dashi broth. Characteristics of the Cha-Kaiseki Nimono-Wan include a refined, delicate flavor. The dashi is seasoned very lightly, a lid with a gentle condensation. Seasonality expressed through carefully chosen ingredients. In traditional kaiseki served at the restaurants, people often say that the quality of the chef can be judged by their Nimono-Wan. In a formal tea gathering, the host prepares all the Cha-Kaiseki dishes by hand, and the Nimono-Wan is often the dish that requires the most focus. There are many recipes, but I try not to overthink things. Otherwise, as the saying goes, a clever plan may drown the planner. The final menu for the gathering was oshiki, turnip miso soup and horse sashimi, Nimono-Wan shrimp shinjo, yakimono saikyo yaki Spanish mackerel with a simmered taro, shizakana, koya tofu, shiitake mushrooms, and snow peas. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos on tea culture.